Hello, welcome to Blissity. I'm Betty Bliss. People often ask me how to stay positive when I live in a challenging situation, or how to be joyful and happy every day if the people around me are usually unhappy. If you have the similar questions, please stay tuned. My answer is first and foremost, we're not trying to eliminate or resist negativity or unhappiness in our life. That's because whatever we resist, it becomes stronger to us. I'm not saying negativity is good and we encourage more, or passively we can do nothing toward it. Instead, without pushing or forcing, we can simply redirect our attention and focus on joy and happiness with gratitude through a 3-step formula. The first step is to bring your awareness to your life. Your awareness lies every thought and feelings, and allowing you to recognize them and be aware of them. Our mind holds all the past beliefs, experience, and the knowledge that doesn't allow the present life to appear as it is, and we view life through the filter of our mind. With awareness, we drop the mind and the filter and look directly into the things as they are. Before we shift our mind, we need to at least aware what is our mind focused on every day. Is it mostly about fear or joy, opportunities or risks? The second step is to appreciate for what you already have. Most of the time, our minds are occupied by the endless thoughts of chasing the next acquisition or accomplishment, and we only pay little attention to the things we already have until they're broken or gone. People usually think they will be grateful when they get a promotion, a new job, a fancy car, or other tangible or intangible things. But this is backward. It is not happiness that brings us gratitude. It's gratitude that brings us happiness. I know you have been told to be grateful so many times in your life, but I also want you to know, simply knowing things doesn't mean we're actually doing it. Be honest to yourself. How many times in your life you focus on the things you don't have and want to get more? Someone can easily say, I know all of it, but then doing nothing. Being gratitude is a lifelong practice, and we will never do it enough. At the end, it doesn't matter how much we know. What matters is how much we do every day. The third step is to consciously focus on those things bring you joy and happiness. When gratitude brings you happiness, you start to manifest more joy in your life. Here are 10 ways to cultivate a positive mindset, and you don't need to use all of them. You can choose the one that resonates with you the most. 1. An enough mind. Move away from the feeling and mindset that you don't have enough. Instead, shift your focus to every blessing and all of the goodness you have right now. You are enough. You have always been enough. You will always be enough. 2. A self-creation mind. Rather than allowing problems to erupt with unexpected frequency, create your life to minimize the possibility of problems. When problems do rise, seek the gift or opportunity in the situation rather than focus on the pain or sufferings. See all events as opportunities for self-growth. 3. A life reverse mind. Instead of just get by, accepting less, or living with the status quo, shift your mind to embrace that you deserve more, Create a healthy reserve of time, love, money, and space. 4. A personal responsibility mind. Accept that you have a lot to do with the problems and issues in your life. Rather than resisting or denying them, acknowledge that you have choices and options in most of these situations. And don't let any thought hold you back. Take your first and probably the most challenging step to resolving these problems. Once you start moving forward, things will get easier. 5. A self-trust mind. Shift from relying on others to have the answers for you. Shift from self-doubt and self-judgment to trusting your intelligence, wisdom, and intuition. 6. A life engagement mind. Choose to be fully participated and engaged in life. Let go of fears, regrets, anxious, and limiting beliefs. When you step out of your comfort zone and embrace changes, you are on the path to have a better life. Being comfortable in an uncomfortable situation, you will connect with the miracles to help you grow and expand. 7. A self-care mind. To be selfless, we can't ignore self-care. Always fill our own cup full first. We can't pour from an empty cup. Only when our needs are met, so we have the overflowing energy and love to give out. 8. A leap-taking mind. If you don't plan for your life, others will do it for you. Don't wait for anyone or anything to push you forward. Take the leap. Be the creator. Be fire starter. Actively, joyfully create what you want in your life. 9. An action-oriented mind. No matter how much your intelligence mind knows about the tactics, about personal growth, happiness, and fulfillment, if you don't take any action, nothing will happen. Trust you already have plenty of knowledge of what to do, and only through doing, action, and practice, then you will become a better being. 10. A present moment mind. We often project our future based on the perception of our past. However, your past doesn't determine your future, only your present does. Drop the old story about yourself that hold you back. Let go of these memories of past failures or hurts that no longer serve you. Recreate yourself every day and be the person you want to be in every moment. I understand these 3 steps may sound basic, but they have tremendous power to train your mind to have a positive focus. Please join me to have these steps in your life, and you will be surprised by the miracles. Thanks for watching. I wish you peace, joy, and love.